Happy Tuesday, traders. It's Matt and JC with Empire Algorithmic Trading here to bring you your daily dose of VWAP Vision's Stock Talk.
It's where the volume weighted average price is our best friend and it helps us make sense of the market. All we do is just pay attention to the volume weighted average price. It's the best indicator there is. So let's get to it, Matt. Let's do a little stock talk.
Let's Stock Talk.
Well, Matt, it was a pretty bullish session. Not gonna lie, the S&P 500 closed up 0.6%, kind of broke out of its little trading range there. Very good. Put us more importantly right back into a green zone. So just like
Woohoo!
we thought, it didn't last very long. It found support right at the 20-day, which is where we were hoping it would find it. It just did it in one day, which is kind of how this market seems to be working. Everything happens all at once, right? It's no real drawdown. It's not real slow. It just happens, bang, bang, bomb, done. So today, kind of moved out a little bit out of its trading range, and I believe there was increasing volume today as well. The Nasdaq Composite up almost 1%, up 0.8%.
Wow.
But most importantly, the small caps and the mid caps are both starting to live above their anchored VWAPs. So very
Okay.
excited to see that. If we get a follow through from both of these guys tomorrow, then we'll be basically green zones across the board. So I was thinking about it a little bit this morning. It's been since November of last year that the mid caps and the small caps have been trading above their anchored VWAP. So that would be a
Wow.
big deal. That's about 7 months. And then, so it's been 7 months since all four indexes have been trading above their averages. So that's a big deal. The bonds did sell off a little bit, but again, they're holding. It's okay if it stays in the range. We don't want to see continued sell off and an increasing pressure on stocks. That's okay, right? We're just going to keep watching it. Just stay where it is. But if this continues to sell off, it will bring equities down. We already saw a little bit of a taste of that. Kind of drug the market down and just kind of flattened out. But as long as the bonds settle, equities should be able to move higher. And then, of course, the VIX. We're just going to keep watching that VIX come down a little bit, and things are looking good. So that's a little bit of the general
Okay.
market. But yeah, what do we got next here, Maddie?
Well, next we're going to take a look at some of our previous breakout leaders and how they're going in this market. And again, these leaders were given to us by our algorithmic trading platform. So the algo pointed these out to us back and said, hey, this is a good time to buy. So we're just going to track and see how they are. If you want access, subscribe at our Patreon, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading. And you too can get access to those daily buy and sell signals brought to you by Empire Algorithmic Trading Algo.
All right, well, let's take a look. We had some good ones today. Credo Technology.
Ooh.
It was a nice breakout back on May 14th. Hadn't really done much, but it did ride that 10-day moving average. Must have reported some nice earnings. It was up 14.8% on the close.
Oof.
Argan. This was a breakout. Let's see. I think it was back here. It was kind of when it was about right there, I think it was. But it was up 4.1% today. It's up about 40% above its buy point. Robinhood, a nice 5.5% gain, new all-time high. Its breakout was way back here, back on April 25th, right after the market went into a green zone. Very exciting move there from Robinhood. Vistra, again, another green zone
Wow.
breakout. It rallied up another 5% today. A new high after its breakout there. It's up pretty good. Let's take a look here. I think that is looking like about 25% up
Not
since
bad.
its breakout on May 5th. And then Transmedics. Appears to be finding some support at its 10-day moving
Ah.
average. Gapped up strong on earnings. Its breakout was right here on May 7th. Had a nice strong earnings gap and has just been kind of riding along that 10-day moving average and just had a nice little pop today. So nice 3.8% rally. And so all of those today kind of outperformed the market. There were quite a few more. We're going to talk about some of these in Arrow Review as well for our paid Patreon subscribers. But a lot of the stocks that broke out during this recent consolidation, kind of basically from this point on, They started to show some life today. So there are going to be some secondary opportunities we're going to look at,
All
and then we're going to
right.
want to start seeing some continued new buying opportunities come aboard. And I was looking at the watch list, and there's some pretty good candidates moving forward. So the confidence is building more and more every day. This is a pretty good looking pattern. Getting all four indexes in above their VWAPs is going to be a very bullish sign moving forward. So I'm excited.
Print money time, Jace. That's what it is.
We're getting into a potentially fun market. That's right. Yep.
Well, that is it for Daily Stock Talk from us, guys. We thank you for being here with us. For those of you listening on Spotify, make sure that you subscribe, share us there. Those watching on YouTube, thank you for being a part of our community. And then if you want to follow us on all of our social media, we're on Facebook, Instagram, we're on Blue Sky, X. We're even trying to get on TikTok if we can ever figure out how that works. But make sure you follow us wherever you consume your media. And just for more information on us, check out VWAPvision.com, VWAPvision.com to see who we are and what this algorithm we're talking about is. If you want access to that daily buy and sell signal that our algorithm sends to us, subscribe on Patreon, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading. It also gives you access to a bunch of educational videos and the ever growing community that we're trying to build over there where we can talk about trades, ask questions, get access to Jason, myself. And yeah, we're excited about how that platform can treat us and move forward. So patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading. And until Arrow Review, happy trading.
Happy trading, Matt. We'll talk to you later.